Alright, so today we're creating this super easy and quick 5-minute makeup look, and I'm going to be using the new e.l.f. Glow Filter. So I'm going to show you guys how I like to use this product to create this absolutely gorgeous and easy 5-minute makeup look. So if you're interested, let's get into it. But before we get started with the video, I do want to give a huge thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. So if you guys have been watching my channel for a while and you've been watching my vlog channel, y'all know I love me some Ana Luisa jewelry, and they are having a mid-year sale this August, and I would highly recommend you guys to try it because their jewelry pieces are honestly really sustainable and they're hypoallergenic. They have good quality pieces for great prices. So I'm going to share with you guys the necklaces that I got for this month, which I absolutely am obsessed with. So first we have the Alejandria Necklaces. So these feature 2 different chains. With this piece, I feel like you can definitely dress it up. So if you want a little bit more glam, I feel like pairing these 2 pieces up together would just give you that. I love that it's dipped in 14K gold and it's a layered chain necklace. So next we have the necklace called Shades. I feel like this one is more so of that classic look. So the texture is a sleek box chain necklace, and it's also dipped in 14K gold, and it's really nice and bright and very shiny. I feel like wearing it on its own can definitely also elevate your look. And with this one, you can definitely also pair it with a matching bracelet or a really nice gold ring. So next up, we have the Atom Bold necklace. So this is a curb chain necklace. It's also dipped in 14K gold. It has a matching bracelet online, so you can get those 2 together and pair them up together. And with this piece, you can definitely contrast it with other layered necklaces, or you can just pair it up with the bracelet and that's it. You can also dress this down as well if you want to just elevate your look, or you can dress it up just to tie in together your makeup look. So if you haven't checked out Ana Luisa, I would highly recommend checking them out. Like I mentioned, their pieces are sustainable. Like I tell you guys, these pieces last a long time. They really do last a long time, and their prices are honestly really affordable, and they are having a sale, so don't forget to check them out with the link in the description box down below to get your discount. And I just want to give a huge thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. All right, first things first, I'm gonna start off with a serum, and I've been loving this Dalba First Spray Serum. So I'm just gonna use this mist and spray it all over my face. This is going to help refresh and hydrate my skin. And I like to just take my fingertips and press that into the skin. Make sure that it's being absorbed. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. So this liquid filter is supposed to be very hydrating. It's supposed to enhance your skin, and I think it's perfect for a quick makeup look, something very simple, very easy, when you don't want to put a full face of makeup on, but you want to enhance your skin. So the shade that I'm using is the shade 7, which is deep. So I'm just building up the product. I'm just adding a little bit and going over all over my skin. Now this is a very light coverage product, so I don't like to apply too much because it's supposed to be very natural and very glowy. And this shade looks like it's my summer shade, so it's very tan looking, but it gives my skin like radiance. Like that's all I'm seeing on my skin right now is radiance. All right, so this is what the liquid filter is looking like on my skin. My skin is looking really glowy. This product is supposed to be really hydrating, and it has squalane and hyaluronic acid, so it's supposed to be more of a skincare product. I do feel like it's a little bit more luminous than like a tinted moisturizer or like skin tint. I feel like this one gives me more of that illuminated look. It looks like I have applied highlighter all over my skin, but I'm gonna go in with concealer and set the skin, and I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer for under my eyes. And what I like to do with this product is I like to place it at the back of my hand, and then I like to take a beauty sponge and use that product and dab that all around the beauty sponge. I feel like doing this allows me to place the least amount of concealer, so I'm not placing too much, and this is really nice for a quick 5-minute makeup look. So I feel like a full coverage concealer is really great to use with this product because it helps to really brighten up your face, especially if you have really dark under eyes. I would recommend a full wear concealer. If you don't have that much discoloration, I would say go in with a light coverage concealer. And I'm going to use a little bit of that to reverse contour because I won't be going in with any contour, as I feel like contour is not really realistic for 5-minute makeup looks. Alright, so next I'm going to set all this dewiness, and I like to use an oil absorbing setting powder. I really like this one by Black Opal because it's a finishing setting powder as well, so it's going to help smoothen out your skin, and I also feel like it's really long lasting. So I like to just pick up a little bit of that powder with a fluffy brush and press that right underneath my eyes to set the concealer. And I'm gonna pick up some of that powder with this rounded brush, and I'm just gonna press that onto my skin, and this is going to help set that liquid filter so that it doesn't get oily on my skin throughout the day, and it just looks natural on the skin. And this is what the filter looks like on my skin. It looks super glowy. It still looks really luminous and very, very natural. So I'm absolutely in love. So next I'm gonna go ahead and work on my eyebrows real quick. And for eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Milani Weekend Brow Pen. So I like to use this Weekend Brow Pen because it's really easy to use. It's really nice for a quick 5-minute makeup look, especially if you struggle with doing your eyebrows. All you have to do is just fill it in. All right, so next I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara just to help bring out my eyes a little bit. I'm not going in with any eyeshadow because honestly, who can apply eyeshadow in 5 minutes? Nobody. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this mascara, and I'm using the Essence Lash Princess. All right, so next I'm gonna apply a little bit of blush, and I'm using the Ace Beauté Blush in Paradise palette. Then for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Apricot highlighter, and this is gonna give your skin a nice subtle glow. All right, next I'm gonna line my lips, and I'm using the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. Then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb on top of this. All right, so here we have it with this quick and easy 5-minute makeup look using this glow filter. I absolutely love this product. It's really easy to apply, and it just looks so gorgeous on the skin. It gives your skin that glowy, illuminated look and super healthy look, which I absolutely love. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs this video up. A big shout out to Ana Luisa for sponsoring your girl today. Now, if you want to learn how to perfect your makeup base, then watch my video right here where I go into detail on how to get that perfect and flawless makeup base.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's